Hello, dear students. So, today we are here to discuss something which is very practical in life, close to our lives, with which our life has been made very convenient, easy to live. हमें प्रिविलेजेस मिलती हैं उन चीज़ों से जो हमारे आसपास में है. हाउ एंड सो लेट्स सी what all things are there. See, in earlier days, if we talk about maybe 100 200 years back, there was no facility of electric bulb. If we speak about in India in 200 300 years earlier, there was no facility of the electric bulb glowing in the houses. People used to study or used to have oil lamps or candles. Nowadays, you can see there are so much facilities, so much machines are available जिन्होंने हमारी लाइफ को काफी कंफर्टेबल कर दिया है. If you want to watch something entertaining, we just put on the TV. If we want to wash our clothes, we have a washing machine at our home. If we want to, you know, get some air, cool air, we have air conditioners at our home. We have refrigerators to freeze the ice to keep the things cool. Do you know, my dear students, how does these things got possible? Who has made all these things? How did these things came into the market? Yes, some of you I think might be guessing right. The actual discoverer behind these things, behind these inventions were the scientists. Behind the invention of refrigerator, behind the invention of television, behind the invention of this small electrical bulb, which is providing us light in the darkness, behind this electric fan, behind this electric current. So there is a invention, there is a discovery, there is a deep research of scientists जिन्होंने ये चीजें पॉसिबल की हैं, by which we are gifted in this generation. Okay, so today, my dear students, in this video we are going to discuss such inventions and the name of the scientist who discovered these things. We are into our GK, page number 231, the discoveries and the scientist. We will see that what were the major discoveries that really changed our life and who were the scientists behind it, who were credited for it. So let's see. One of the most common thing, gravitational law. Gravity, my dear students, you know that whenever we leave a thing free fall, okay, it always goes down. Means a force is applied at the uh, Earth's surface. This is called as gravitational force. Everything, anything which we leave in the air behind, it tends to go towards the Earth to attain a stability. जो भी चीज हम free fall छोड़ देते हैं, वो नीचे की तरफ जाती है. That is called as gravitational force. Because gravitational force is acting. Due to gravitational force, it is going down. This gravitational force was first observed and discovered by a famous scientist, Sir Isaac Newton. You might have heard many stories about this scientist, that he was continuously in his childhood days and or in younger days also he was observing how does an apple falls down from a tree. Why doesn't it go up in the air? जब किसी पेड़ पर जो एप्पल लगा होता था, जब वो राइपन हो जाता था, या इफ somebody disturbs that apple, it always falls towards the ground. वो कभी ऊपर की तरफ नहीं जाता था. That was because of the gravitational force. He also discovered the law of motion. Motion is a very common term which we study in physics. Motion means any object which is moving, which is having a speed, even though it may be having a speed of very low quantity, but जो भी चीज चलती है that has a movement, it's called motion. So both of these things, the laws were being given by Sir Isaac Newton. Next thing, the theory of relativity. Theory of relativity also, it uh, correlates many physical quantity like speed, speed of light, okay, and other such thing. This formula, this theory was given by another famous scientist, that was Mr. Albert Einstein. Okay, Albert Einstein ने theory दी थी, theory of relativity, in which basically the speed of light is being used, which we denote by c, and its quantity is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Usually this figure is being used. Okay, one more thing, the medical science, that is the achievement of medical science. You might have seen, dear students, when people used to visit a surgeon and they have some hidden injury, means inside injury, which is not visible by the naked eye, then the surgeon, the doctors usually suggest the patients to get an एक्सरे रिपोर्ट डन. पेशेंट्स को अगर कोई इंजरी हो जाती है, इंटरनल इंजरी, तो डॉक्टर उनको सजेस्ट करते हैं टू गेट अ एक्सरे ऑफ देयर एलमेंट डन. उस बॉडी पार्ट का एक्सरे कराते हैं जहां पर वो इंजरी हो जाती है. दिस एक्सरे मशीन डिटेक्ट्स द इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अवर बोन्स, मीन्स वेदर देर इज एनी इंजरी इन द बोन्स. इट हैज अ पेनिट्रेशन पावर. वो अंदर तक हमारी बॉडी को स्कैन कर सकती है कि वेदर आवर एनी ऑफ द बोन इज डिसलोकेटेड फ्रॉम इट्स प्लेस. So this X-ray machine was being, this X-ray theory in fact was being discovered by W.C. Röntgen. Okay, he was the person behind the discovery, and because of which the medical science has improved a lot. We have, it means it's like a uh, gifted thing to us by these scientists. Next theory, principle of lever. Lever means the lever which we use in physics, the fulcrum, the load, okay, the pressure which we apply. We usually study three principles of lever, three in the topic of machines. Okay, so we are talking about those lever, not the body part lever. You might get confused. Relative density means when a body floats on a liquid, how is it able to float? हाउ कैन वी से, हाउ कैन वी जज, हमें ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन सी बॉडी किस लिक्विड पर फ्लोट हो सकती है, एंड विच बॉडी, विच सॉलिड will sink in a particular liquid. This was being suggested by, this theory was being discovered by another famous scientist, that was Archimedes. Okay, kinetic theory of temperature, it was being suggested by Kelvin. Kelvin is also being heard by us in as a measuring unit of temperature. As is owner of the scientist, we are using Kelvin measuring temperature as a unit, standard unit. Kinetic theory of temperature means, kinetic means when you are heating up something and their molecules, their atoms of that element get start into a movement. That is called kinetic, means that when things starts moving. Theory of an atom. Atom, my dear students, we have studied in chemistry. It is one of the smallest indivisible particle of an element, that is called as atom. We can't see it by our naked eye. It's a very, very minutest thing. Even a small hairpin would be having a millions of atoms in it, and it was discovered by Dalton. Okay, then law of electrolysis, that was being discovered by another renowned scientist, Michael Faraday. Electrolysis, dear students, it's a combination of a electric circuit in which cathodes and anodes are there, and of course electrodes, they are collectively also called as electrodes, and we are passing an electric current, and this process is called as electrolysis. The most simple example, जो सबसे simple example है electrolysis का, which we can find in our house home, is while we are charging and discharging a battery, the batteries which we are using in inverters, okay, yeah, maybe in our vehicles. That is one of the most simple example of electrolysis. So dear students, this were some of the major inventions, discoveries which we usually see in our daily life around us. Okay, now in the same video, in the next page, we will discussing something about genes. Genes in the sense the biological gene, the genes which we have in our human body, just after this page. So be with me, keep watching this video. You can turn the pages of your book around according to the topic, according to the page number which I will be telling you. Okay, so please keep watching it. Dear students, our next topic is entirely different. We have previously discussed about some inventions that were basically mostly related from physics, electronics, and chemistry. This topic which we are going to discuss now is from our human biology. Okay, our human anatomy. Dear students, you might have seen, uh, it observed it personally too, that people belonging to a similar family you can easily identify the siblings, the father and a son, a mother and a daughter, two sisters you can easily identify, two brothers you can easily identify, the people who are having a direct blood relation. Why is it so? Have you ever think it? कभी आपने सोचा है कि अगर आप अगर किसी फैमिली को देखते हैं तो आप फादर में और उनके सन में, मदर और डॉटर में, और मे बी मदर और सन में भी, मीन्स यू कैन इजिली आइडेंटिफाई सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी उनके फैमिली मेंबर से इजिली सिमिलैरिटी एस्टेब्लिश हो जाती है, इधर बाय फेस or by their color or by their habits, okay, or maybe by their hairstyles and other such things. How is it possible? Do you know? This is possible just because of the one biological thing which was discovered by the scientist, that is called as genes. Okay, that is called as, yes. So genes is a thing which is found very internally in the part of a body, in our cells, tissues, okay, which establishes a sort of commonness between two people from one generation to another. Let's see what does the books read about the genes. Genes comes under the genetics. We study genes under the genetic science. Genetics means process of transferring of hereditary characters from one generation to another. What do you mean by hereditary? The things which we get automatically by birth through our parents. जो चीज़ हमें automatically by birth मिलती है अपने parents से, अपने mother से, अपने father से, that is called as hereditary. ओके, तो जीन्स हमें ऑटोमेटिकली अपने पेरेंट्स से मिल जाते हैं, वी गेट इट बाय थ्रू आवर ब्लड रिलेशन, एंड a gene is biologically a molecular structure found inside the nucleus as a chromosome of DNA. So genes ensure that we have a similarity between with our parents, grandparents and ओल्डर जनरेशन. जीन्स ये कंफर्म करता है, ये एश्योर करता है कि हमारी जो फैमिली है, वी हैव अ सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कॉमन फीचर्स. लेट मी गिव एन एग्जांपल. इफ यू maybe seeing the people of northeast India, they are having, you know, very small size of their eyelids, because it's into the hereditary of that particular area, it's into the genes of their parents. Okay, if you see the people of China or other Thai countries, they hardly have beard on their chin, because it's their body structure, their genetic combination in is in such a way. Okay, you might have seen in India as well, the people from Rajasthan, okay, the males from Rajasthan, they are having, you know, huge mustaches. Okay, so these, some of these characters are hereditary. The people, the parents, if they are having a curly hair, so it may be a chance that their uh, either a son or a daughter might have the same particular hairstyle. It's just because of the genetic character, the genes, the DNAs, okay, that is responsible to give the same similarity. Even though not in the looks, आप ये भी देख पाएंगे कि the children would be having same sort of color complexion as their parents are having. Maybe they would be attaining at least a minimum height, body height, that their parents are having. Their way of talking may be similar with their parents. Okay, their eyes would look like same. So these all things are being transferred by genes from one generation to another. Okay, let's see who was the discoverer. Mr. J.J. Mendel, he was the chief discoverer of genetics. In fact, he was called as the father of genetics. Okay, the term genetics was first used by William Bateson in 1905. So genetics helps a lot in establishing the relations, blood relations, family relations, by which we can identify that two people are connected uh, in a particular way. So dear students, that's it for the day. In this video, we have discussed about electronics, physics, the discoverers, and this small portion of genes, the biological science. So I hope you would have correlated these things with your डेली लाइफ. देखिए, कोई चीज एक्सप्लेन करने का, चाहे वो जीके है या वट एवर द टॉपिक इज, unless and until you correlate that thing with your practical life, there is no रियल बेनिफिट ऑफ स्टडिंग अ न्यू थिंग। ओके, एंड आई होप आप लोगों ने इसको अपनी रियल लाइफ से कनेक्ट कर लिया होगा, दिस बायोलॉजिकल टर्म जीन्स ऑल्सो एंड दोज डिस्कवरीज ऑल्सो। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैव अ गुड डे। जय हिंद।